Welcome back. We're at it again one more time. Another installment of our ongoing Mixology at Home series here from Alley 26. I'm Shannon Healy. We're going to be making today a Chartreuse Swizzle. This is kind of a modern classic. It dates back way till 2002 in San Francisco, and it's delicious and it's very chartreuse forward. This is definitely a bartender's drink. So this is going to be a swizzle, which is a kind of drink that originated in Trinidad, where they would take swizzle sticks, which are fun to play with, and also always comes on crushed ice, and I'll show you how to do that. But first, we're going to use this very unlikely combination of ingredients to make a swizzle. We're going to take pineapple juice. I'm going to use 1.5 ounces of unsweetened, it's very important, pineapple juice, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, and then we have a falernum that we just really love here, that we make, Alley 26 Falernum. I'm going to add 1/2 ounce of that. A lot of good lime flavor, really great spice notes in that. And then last but certainly not least, we're going to add chartreuse to this cocktail. 1.5 ounces. And if you're familiar with chartreuse, you know that's a lot of chartreuse. There's a lot that can be said about chartreuse. The most important for making the cocktail is that it's incredibly herbaceous, like springtime grass notes of herbaceousness, but also that it's 110 proof. So this is a full strength drink. Next, we're gonna get our ice. Move my drink aside here. I need crushed ice for this drink, so I'm gonna take my handy dandy Lewis bag, otherwise known as a canvas bag. Fill it full of some ice. Usually a little more than I think I'm gonna need, because I don't really wanna not have enough crushed ice for the drink. I'm gonna take this fine instrument, delicate instrument called a mallet, and I'm gonna crush the ice like this. Just like that. Okay, got my ice ready, got my drink ready, got my cold glass. What I'm gonna do here is put the drink in the nice cold glass, put my swizzle on the bottom of the drink, and then add the crushed ice. Come on, you can work with me here. There we go. And some more still. So when you swizzle, which is the sticks from these trees were very common to use culinarily. The folks would cook their food and they would use these sticks as their utensils. So when they started making drinks, it was the obvious utensil to reach for. Now, the ones they use for drinks are a little smaller, so we're just gonna mix this up with the swizzle like this. Doesn't have quite the same effect as a classic Trinidadian swizzle or a Queen's Park swizzle, but that's traditionally how you do it. Just put it between your hands and spin it around a bit. There you have it. We're going to garnish this with a couple of cherries and a wee bit of pineapple. This is a dried pineapple for effect. Chartreuse Swizzle. Enjoy.